that story is actually of how I met my husband, Bharat. So we had
Okay.
already met by then, but I didn't really like tell anybody that we're
Yeah.
dating like online.
Oh, okay.
I actually didn't say that we're together until we got engaged.
So 1 minute, were you together
Yeah.
during that video?
Yes,
Oh
yes.
shit, that is crazy.
Hi guys, I'm Zia.
Hi, I'm Sanjana.
Hi, I'm Dhritika.
Hi, I'm Sejal.
And we are Bisharam.
Hi Sejal.
Sejal, how are you doing?
It's the first time I'm saying hi to her. It's not like we've been talking for
Yeah,
an
no.
hour.
For the past half an hour.
I have been trying to brace myself for the half an hour that she's been here because I have grown up watching you, and to finally
Yeah.
sit down and have a conversation with you is a little mind blowing to me right now because I used to watch you on the other side of the screen,
Yeah.
and now we are going to be on the same side of the screen.
That's crazy.
That is crazy to me.
But,
Yeah.
but you know somebody else is going to watch this and maybe in like
Oh,
the
shit,
next 15
yeah.
years they're gonna make videos on the internet.
Oh shit, yeah.
And maybe they will be talking to us and Sejal together.
Oh,
Imagine.
Mhm.
that's it.
Like a full-blown panel.
15 years later, I don't know. Maybe for you guys.
Why not you?
I don't know, man. Like 15 years later, I think I'll be living like a very chill, slow life.
Like a
That's
very
the
quiet
goal.
life.
Yeah, definitely. Like I talk about this with my husband now.
Ooh, show them.
Show them the
Well,
stove,
oh
show them
my
the
God.
rock.
So we talk about this a lot that we would. This is very cliche, but we would like to like move to the mountains.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's super cliche.
Yeah.
I mean, the Maggie gave it away.
But
Sejal had Maggie before we roll, and yeah,
But
I
yeah,
could tell.
if anyone's living under a rock, and if y'all don't know who Sejal is, what the fuck are y'all doing? Because Sejal here is a YouTuber. She started off as being a YouTuber, and now she's a multi-talented artist who makes music. She does acting, and she does so much more.
There's actually nothing that she doesn't do
Yeah.
that I saw on her page. Like
Yeah.
I was like, look, because I did not consume your content growing up, but I've seen you here and there. But Sanjana was like, oh
Yes.
no, you have to check her out. She does literally everything.
Yeah.
And there's not one thing that I haven't seen you do.
Yeah. But would you want to tell our audience a little bit about yourself and what you do?
yeah, do you want me to look in the camera or just like look
Okay,
at you
with
guys?
Whatever
anything.
you're
Okay, with
comfortable with.
anything.
Okay, no,
like you
I-
could look at the camera, maybe.
Well, okay. But so like she said, like I started off on YouTube. I used to make a lot of like lifestyle fashion content. But even back then, I used to love mixing it up with all of my hobbies. Like I see YouTube and making content as like a one-stop shop for like doing everything I
Yeah.
love. So
Uh-huh.
I would also do song covers, like popular
Yes.
songs at the time.
Yeah.
And even in my videos, I had a phase where I was doing skits for the views. That's just a phase
That's a
I'm
rite
not-
of passage.
Yeah, I mean, I don't like those videos a lot looking back, but that's something I did too. And
Yeah.
then I
Just
did
for
it.
the numbers, you did that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for real, for
Okay.
real. And I also did acting. Like I've done a web series, and
Yes.
like in the pandemic, I started releasing original music.
Yeah.
It was always like a bucket list item for me to start doing that. Loved it, so kept going, and now it's been 5 years since I've been putting music out. And I've also started a short film series called 1 Minute Drama, and I
Oh,
do like
wow.
micro drama series now.
Yeah.
So it's awesome.
You know those 1 minute dramas, they like like I would rather watch 50 parts of a 1 minute
Yeah,
drama
for sure.
than go and watch like a whole
A
show
whole movie.
because I don't know what it is. I know short form content is like all the rage right now, and it was what YouTube once used to be, like a 10-minute video. But I love those like skits, and
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
so I think you've gotten in on that at a very nice time. Because
Yeah,
right now,
yes.
not everyone. I'm telling you, I'm telling
No,
you
I remember. Yeah.
that you've done well.
Because I remember when I initially started watching the 1 minute drama that used to put out on YouTube, I don't remember watching anyone else do that, at least in the content creators or the influencers that I used to watch.
Sure.
So because I used to follow you since I was in school, so
Thank
like
you.
I used to come back from school, I used to watch you with a bunch of other like creators. That used to be my like routine, you know, like after
Yeah.
school, after tuitions, come back and like watch your videos.
That's crazy. It's crazy.
So-
And how old are you now?
I'm 22.
Yeah. Oh my god, it blows my mind when people tell me stuff like this because
Yeah.
at the time, obviously, I wasn't like intending my videos
Yeah.
to like reach like a school audience, right?
Yeah.
And I was just talking to someone about this that YouTube analytics would show me like my demographic to be 18 to 24. But now I meet so many people like you
Yeah.
who are telling me that they were much younger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whose account were you using, bro?
It's because you can't make an account or like you can't have a Gmail. At least you couldn't have a Gmail
In
if you were
school.
not 18.
Bro, I think I forged my age.
You
That
probably
you
would
must
have.
have,
Yeah.
probably why.
Yeah.
Even I did. Like
Because
a
then I
few
would get like
years.
kid content, and I was like, ooh,
Exactly. And you couldn't watch, like, there were certain videos that, like,
Exactly.
were not safe for work.
Yeah.
And you would want, like, Bhuvan Bum was, like, not safe for work at all. And it
Correct,
would, YouTube
correct.
would flag it.
Right.
So if you were
Hmm.
underage, you couldn't watch
Right,
that.
yes,
right,
precisely.
right.
Yeah.
Correct.
So there were, like, I used to watch a lot of, like, Western YouTubers. But I think of, like, old YouTube. I think of, like, the skits from Filter Copy and everything. And
Yeah,
even in
yeah,
those,
yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah.
now
yeah.
they clip it. And now
Hmm.
they make them into 1 minute
Oh, that's
thing.
smart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very
That's
smart.
That's really good.
They had
Yeah.
those like friend does this, whatever.
Yes,
right?
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. God. But my skits are like not. Don't go back and watch them.
But I think it's funny because like, even when we watch our older videos, there are
Oh
so
my
many
God.
of them where we're like,
Yeah.
shit, dude, I don't want anyone to see it.
Sure.
And the fact that it's there on the internet for everyone to
Everyone
see,
to watch.
and it's worse when you make new friends or like when you're people you interact with and they're like, oh my God, you have a podcast, or oh my God, you make content, and then they
And
go
then
down
they
this rabbit
yeah.
hole of watching everything you've made, and I'm like,
But like
Yeah.
for your skits, it's just are you embarrassed of it? Do you think?
I was embarrassed of it then too. So I think that's the main issue. The point
Okay.
Everyone
is,
was doing it. Why were you embarrassed?
yeah, because it was not my lane. And I think I knew that at a time, but I was so focused on like, I want to get to 1 million
Yeah,
subs.
you want the
like,
numbers.
Just like go for it,
Yeah.
like whatever. And even if I had this feeling ki yaar, this does not feel good, I would just be like, nahi, it's fine.
Yeah.
Like aag
work.
band karke, like no one should see
Yeah.
this. But
Yeah.
I would say that like a reason why I also like changed up my content was because I hated this feeling, dude. It was like eating away at my soul.
yeah.
So because this job is like creative plus business, right?
Yeah.
So
Right.
it both should be like in equal balance.
Yes.
Correct.
But now I am proud to say that there is nothing original, like organic content that I make, like my own scripting and stuff that I feel that way about. And I think that's
Uh-huh.
really, really good. So
Yeah.
even if it gets like lesser views,
It's original and it's yours.
okay. And
You're okay with it because it's
I'm okay
what you
with it.
wanted to do.
sure. And I think like wo views can also climb later. But
Yeah.
like if you're so like number focused, you're like 24 ghante.
Yeah.
24 ghante, so
But,
it doesn't work like
you
that.
know, I also feel like as a creator or as an influencer, when you're starting out, to a certain extent, you have to
Feed the masses.
You have to feed the masses, and you have to fit into that cookie cutter like ideology
Yeah.
of what content is.
Yeah.
And I think that's what a lot of creators, at least when we were growing up, I saw them doing. Because if there was one creator who started something, you would see a lot of other
yeah.
creators do the same, like draw my life. And they would do that in their own ways.
Hmm.
Or like some form of skit, like that friend, that
Yeah.
couple. So, those templates were there across like influencers that you saw. But now I'm looking at a bunch of creators who started back then, like you, Dolly Singh, or like Sejal, no, sorry, not Sejal Kumar, Komal Pandey.
Komal Pandey. Yeah.
They,
Prajakta.
Prajakta, yeah.
Yeah.
So I have, especially you, I have seen such a like range in your content.
True. Yeah.
Because when you started, you started off with like whatever, like lifestyle, or used to make like different like outfits, or I basically saw a range in your content, and now you're making music. So I just love to see a creator of whichever genre evolve with time.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so nice. Yeah, because all of us on like this side, like
Yeah.
at least for me, feel so afraid, right? Because people are resistant to change or to see
Correct.
someone do something differently. And I've had my fair share of like, you should not do this
Yeah.
or like quit and whatever, that I see it on a daily basis. Of course, lesser now, but yeah, it's so nice to hear that. This is the second time I'm hearing it today. So I'm
Oh.
so glad to hear it.
Is it
Nice.
difficult to like retain that audience though? Maybe.
Yeah.
Hai na?
Yeah, 100%.
Because I'm pretty sure when you started YouTube and when you transitioned from your lifestyle videos to your skits, I'm pretty sure a lot of your audiences would have felt that they're losing you in a way.
Ooh, like at that time, I still did a mix of things. So I was doing this. I did like a Euro trip backpacking series. I used to
Yeah.
do song covers. I was not fearful at all. Like I just felt like this is just what I like to do, and chal jayega, bro.
Yeah.
I mean,
Chal
it was
jayega,
led
bro.
to you
I
where
love
you
that.
are right
Yeah.
now.
Yeah. Correct.
So they
Yes.
just were a bridge to where you are right now.
Sure. And I think like I also like to think back to that type of mindset
Yeah.
a lot because I'm just like, wow, that is like fearless, and I didn't
Hmm.
really like overthink
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
And so I got cast in the show Engineering Girls. It's a
Yeah.
TVF show.
Yeah.
And the day I got cast for it, I was like, this is crazy. Like
Hmm.
my picture with the cast came in the newspaper, like itna bada picture, which is
Okay.
insane. Like as a college student,
Yes.
I was like,
That's
what
mad.
the right.
Times
Yeah.
of India.
Yeah, like Delhi Times or something.
Wow.
Main, like a main paper.
Oh,
Paper
God,
on the
okay.
stage, correct.
Yeah.
And we like cut it out and stuff and kept it at home. So
Obviously.
big moment,
Yeah,
right?
for sure.
And I was thinking that skit video that I made. So because I used to tell my friends a lot,
Yeah.
कि यार मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? Is this
Yeah.
cringe? Like what am I doing? But then
Yeah.
one of my old friends, Tanisha, shout out, like she would always tell me, yeah, chill, like your steps will kind of culminate in
Yeah,
some
exactly.
way.
True.
And I thought back to what she said at that moment, and I would hope so too. Like every time I have like a cool achievement moment
Hmm.
now, I do sometimes like think back like that. That
Yeah.
oh, that like pivot that I made to music, that
Hmm.
you know, it was hard to like make it, but
For sure.
okay, it
You did it.
resulted in
Yeah.
this. So
Yeah.
maybe, you know.
Because I remember in one of your videos also you mentioned that you started this right after college or like during college. You did
During.
not want the traditional
9 to 5.
9 to 5 or
Yeah.
like the job trajectory is, if I'm not mistaken.
No, you're so right.
Yeah.
And I actually started when I was in my second year. That's when I posted my first
Yeah.
video.
Hmm.
But by the time I thought that I would want to do this professionally, I wanted to be in entertainment somehow. So I used to do a lot
Okay.
of auditions when I was in college, and
Yeah.
I studied eco. So that
Damn.
नहीं हो सकता. I tried. नहीं, I didn't even try. मुझे भी बस नहीं है. So I used to do a lot of auditions and just like random modeling gigs. I went for Miss India, but that's when I was in my
Yeah,
like.
I remember this.
You do.
I do remember this.
Yeah, I did like
Your lore just like adds on one on top of the other.
it's
Like,
just on YouTube. Like you should just like the videos are there.
Yeah.
wow.
I have
This
a
is
picture of your
shocking.
walk. I have a picture of your walk in my
What
mind.
was she wearing?
I just remember her being very tall and with like tall heels and her just like strutting. And I'm like, okay.
No.
This is
Yeah,
mad.
it was so fun. But yeah, in college itself, because I'm from that like serious eco honors, and everyone around me was very like business
Sunny.
minded.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I always had that vibe, and I think I'm a Capricorn. I like it.
I could tell, you know.
Yeah.
I could tell. Very analytical.
Mm.
Yeah.
Good you.
And you know me and my Capricorns.
Is this
Polka
a thing?
dot.
Are you a Virgo? Are you a Virgo?
I am a Virgo.
Yeah, that's the thing, right? Like my husband's also a Virgo, my mom's also a Virgo, and I figured
Oh.
कि Capris and Virgo का कुछ है.
कुछ तो है.
कुछ सीन है.
Anyway, moving on from that.
Polka dots.
Wait, I wanted to outright ask you because I think पहले जो YouTube होता जब the one I saw from behind the screen, the one I was so infatuated by. I'm not saying YouTube's bad now. It's this YouTube is my YouTube, right?
Sure.
Pehle, like the kid version of me loved this YouTube so much. And you know, I saw YouTubers, they used to interact and all of that, and I used to find that so fascinating. But like, do you have any like recollections from at that time ke, oh, it was not so pretty, or maybe it was better than what it looked like?
Yeah, and I had a similar experience, right? Like I used to watch YouTubers who made content in the West, so I used to like consume it the same way, like VidCon, and like I used to eat it
Yeah.
up. I used to eat it
Like I
up.
remember watching through my screen the first YouTube Fan Fest.
Haan, fair.
Like
Fair.
I'm really showing my age, but because a lot of our audience is younger, so the way
Yeah.
that you felt, you did not know that it was reaching a school audience.
Yeah.
It's reaching
Yeah,
a school
because
audience.
even
It
when
is, yeah.
when we like posted, at least when we started posting, we were like, oh my god, yeah, people our age and older than us are going to be watching. 13-year-olds are watching us.
Yeah.
I love them. I love y'all. But 13.
Yeah.
So-
But why do you want an older audience?
No, I'm
so?
just saying, like, we all thought that we would have an audience like around our
Like a more
age.
nuanced audience rather than just one specific age group. We thought of that.
Majority of
Yeah.
it is like younger than us, and this is something that I've noticed that whatever age that you are that you're creating content, your audience will almost always be like way younger.
Yeah.
to you.
True. Because remember when you were watching like RCL Beauty, she was like
Yeah, she was
25, 28 around
yeah,
that
and
time.
like we were like around a decade younger to her.
Yeah.
Wait, who did you watch growing up? Like PewDiePie?
Yeah, Ashley watches videos now too because have you
Yeah?
seen his videos recently?
No.
He's had a
No.
kid and his videos are like travel vlogs like with his kid. It's
Oh.
so cute. It's
Aw.
so wholesome.
Wow.
Yeah, this is the content I'm watching
Nice.
these days. I watch like cute parent-child videos.
Aw.
Just makes me so happy.
So you used to watch gaming and streaming.
नहीं नहीं
Well,
game नहीं मैं बस उसके वो देखती थी bitch lasagna वाला
Bitch lasagna. मैंने कल ही खाया था।
राइट ऑफ वैसे
मैंने कल ही खाया था लजानिया और मुझे कल ही किसी ने इसके बारे में बताया ये क्या
हाँ।
ये भाई ये क्या बात भाई ये बिल्कुल रिस्क कर दिया मुझे
But yeah.
so besides PewDiePie who did you watch
I used to watch like Bethany Mota.
Oh,
I used to
yes.
love her.
Same.
Bethany
Yeah.
Mota put me on to so many MAC lipsticks I never bought one I couldn't afford it
Yeah, fair. Who else? I used to watch.
the British people you used to watch
Yeah,
like
I used to watch
Zoella
Zoella and the whole group.
Alfie
So I ate it up like same.
It's okay,
yeah.
I ate it up like that.
You loved Vlogmas, I can tell. I loved Vlogmas. I used to watch that. Like, I had a list, okay? Like, okay, these people's Vlogmas I'm watching means watching. December, mein, I had no time. I was doing a 24-hour shift.
Yeah,
Because I knew when they would post. Like, okay, this person will post at their time at like 12 at night. So I'm going to watch it at 12 noon once I come back from school or something.
And I just feel like even the YouTube, whatever trends that used to happen on YouTube back then, they used to be so like well thought of and so like a performance
Yeah.
in their videos.
Hmm.
Like, and I don't see that anymore. I don't know if it's because I've grown up now and like, you know, that whole charm of
You've grown out of
watching-
it.
yeah, maybe I have and I don't know. And it's also a little weird because now when I scroll on YouTube, I don't feel like an outsider. Maybe because our videos are also on the internet and sometimes I'll like scroll
Oh
past
my
and
god,
I
that's
see
so true.
like a thumbnail from
yeah.
our video and then I'm like, okay, wait, maybe I'm part of it now and I don't know how to feel about it. Have you had like a similar experience?
Yeah, the same. Actually, like really, I just like jaldi
right?
say like मेरे को नहीं देखना.
Yeah, I don't, it's not that I
Yeah.
hate it, but it's
No.
just like, oh, I want to watch something else.
I want to, but I will take a quick glance at like what
Comments.
views it's had.
Yeah,
Views,
that-
comments,
that.
absolutely. That you need that.
Yeah. And I'll like hype it. Now hyping is the new
Oh
thing.
yeah.
You have to hype your videos.
Yes. Dude, that's the thing, right? Like if you see it, then फिर वो toxic habit कि चल मैं ना देख लेती हूँ,
Yeah.
engagement फिर थोड़ी सी
Yeah.
beat हो जाएगी. But then you know, so I'll find it better to like skip past it.
हाँ और फिर
Nice.
वैसे ही सारे कमेंट्स में सब मुझे चिल्ला रहे हैं कि थितिका को मैंने शट अप बोल दिया थितिका को गेट लॉस्ट बोल दिया तो फिर फायदा ही नहीं है ना घर पे भी मुझे गालियां ही
मत
पड़ी
बोलना
कमेंट्स
फिर।
में भी गालियां
मत
पड़ी
बोलना।
हैं कौन है ये जो कमेंट कर रहा है बार-बार प्लीज शो योरसेल्फ
I do want to know, like, I want to talk a little bit more about like your music journey and how
Yeah.
you started off from making covers because I remember seeing your the Senorita video
Oh,
where
damn.
it was a cover
Yeah.
and you
Shawn
like
Mendes or Zenon MD
shut
I
up.
genuinely
valid
want to know
question.
genuinely
No,
I want to
no,
know
no,
The
Shawn Mendes.
Shawn Mendes will be the one.
ये बहुत
no,
valid
no,
question
no,
है
it's
bro.
very,
Very
valid,
valid.
very valid.
Very valid.
But I remember seeing that video and I don't remember the person that you collaborated with.
His name is Aksh.
Okay, Aksh.
Oh.
And he also makes music is what
Yeah,
and that's what I
yes,
remember.
yes.
But yeah, I just remember seeing that video and even the music video that you made was like in your way.
Yeah.
And then you shifted from making covers to making your original music. How did that like transition go about? And like, you know, how did you start making?
It's cool that you highlighted this and
Mhm.
appreciated the video, so thanks.
Okay.
Because that's like for us, like it's the fun bit, right? Like you
Yeah.
put some thought and effort into that.
Yeah,
Even the outfits and like all of it. So it's fun.
exactly.
Yeah, for me, when I was doing that, you have a bucket list, right? And I'm sure you guys do too. So
Yeah.
for me, it was like I would like to make an original song someday. It was like on my wall.
Mhm.
And I got this opportunity through YouTube Creators for Change. So they were doing this project with Michelle Obama that year, and they wanted to do something for girls' education. So they were like, make any like piece of content which is around this. So I pitched to them that I would like to make like an original song
Yeah.
and like do
Mhm.
like a short film-esque video. So
Mm.
that
Okay.
they were on board, and that's how I like got together the people to be able to do that. So if you go back and see it, it's called Aisi Hoon, and the video is like amazing.
Mhm.
Might I add,
Yeah.
it's really good. And so I got on board. Like my friend Saptak, he's a musician,
Hmm.
so he did the music, and I literally learned how to write a song like with him and record vocals and stuff. And we did this music video, cast other actors and stuff. So it
Wow.
was like a whole production.
Yeah.
3 days हमने shoot करा. So I did the whole thing. It was crazy to see. So that's how I loved it. And I was like, यार अब मैं और करूँगी. So the
Yeah.
pandemic आ गया था. So I started writing more. I
Yeah.
had more time, and that's how I just kept going. I
That
just loved
process
it.
sounds so fun, man.
Dude, it was really
Yeah.
fun.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Really,
do you
really
remember?
fun.
Do you recollect anything from that time? Ke you're like, shit, I didn't expect this, but this happened.
Yeah, it was just cool. Like, because before that, my videos, I would try to like up the scale every time I
Yeah.
would do
Yeah.
something, because you feel like you want to evolve, right? But
Yeah.
that shoot, we had like 3 days and so many people involved, and like bigger like scale, so you felt like
Yeah,
this
yeah.
is this is
मैं मिशेल ओबामा ने
cool.
देखा है आपका वीडियो.
पता नहीं देखा
देखना चाहिए.
ब्रो. वीडियो तो बहुत अच्छी बनी है.
Yeah.
देखना चाहिए.
वीडियो
She should,
बहुत
she
अच्छी
should.
है.
पता है बेशरम कौन कौन देखता है?
बताओ.
मैं देखती हूँ. Everyone here is watching it.
नहीं,
No,
we have
yeah,
we
Neeta
have an
Ambani.
entire
Neeta
delusional
Ambani,
list, yeah. The
वो-
Ambanis watch it.
the
Rihanna
all-
watches it.
Rihanna watches it.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Jesus
watches it.
Because Jesus watches everything.
Yeah.
He watches. He's watching
We
right now.
have a crazy audience actually.
Yeah.
It's a
Wild.
mixed
But
bag.
this is the coveted one. We don't really talk about it on
At length, yeah.
yeah. But
This
Yeah.
is a
Yeah.
joke.
it's
Yeah, I know. I'm participating.
donkey.
But you met your husband also through one of the
What?
music. Wasn't he?
You're right.
He was part of a music video that he featured in, right? And that's how you met him, right?
Wait, that's so cute.
You're like partly right.
Okay.
Partly. He was in the music video,
Yeah.
but he was in it because I knew him. That
Was
way.
he was your
okay.
friend, or like did you work with him before?
No, so we're actually from the same school.
Oh, okay.
And I have this video that I've made. It's like I did a collab with Bumble, and it's about like your first date story.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Ashley Ranveer, Beer Biceps, so he plays the guy in that.
Okay.
And he
I
did
think
an,
I've seen it.
Gag.
he did
Yeah.
an amazing job. Like,
Okay.
yeah, it was very random. So because I used to live in Bombay at the time, and I couldn't. I needed a guy to like play, so I asked him, and he was like, "Yeah, he's on board because he would love to do this." So I needed to write. I was doing a story time of
Yeah.
like a first date and enacting it. So it's kind of like a
Voice over है मतलब आपका.
मतलब talking है और उसमें पूरे visuals भी हैं. कि
Okay.
first
This
date
is
में
like
it's
an
like
audio
a-
visual thing.
हाँ, so we like enacted it out. It's a really cool video. Like this is
I
one.
do remember seeing it with him. Yeah.
It was really fun and it turned out great. I think it's best brand collab I've done, honestly.
Ooh.
Yeah, no, genuinely. Like, see, that's what I feel
That's
about
a
it.
big statement because you're gonna get more like brands.
I hope so. Bumble. I
mean,
mean,
Bumble is not
now.
going to approach you anymore.
Acha, हाँ.
Oh shit! Yeah.
Yeah.
true.
Alright. I
So
didn't think of that.
you can ask the people from Bumble to approach these 3 single ladies.
Forcing a lady.
I can direct the video. How about that?
Chalega.
Yeah.
Do that.
Dorega, bro. I've seen, like, bro, if she remembers your videos from like 5-6 years ago, I know you're good at what you do.
Yeah.
The video turned out really good. So, like, the backstory is that story is actually of how I met my husband, Bharat. So we had
Okay.
already met by then, but I didn't really like tell anybody that we're
Yeah.
dating like online.
Oh, okay.
I actually didn't say that we're together until we got engaged.
So 1 minute, were you together
Yeah.
during that video?
Yes,
Oh
yes.
shit,
That's
that
why-
is crazy.
Yeah, but I thought like people realized, but I didn't really say anything. So
Oh, okay.
You want to keep it private or like was it strategic or it just he didn't want?
no, he was chill. I just didn't like. I don't know.
Yeah,
man.
it,
like,
we just the vibes weren't there, so you
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
decided to not.
and
Yeah.
also like because you're making vlogs and stuff, so he would appear in my vlogs a
Yeah.
lot. So
Yeah.
people would ask and people would comment,
Yeah,
and sometimes
fair,
people
fair.
would be like, he used to wear a mask during COVID, like
Mhm.
everywhere all the time. घर पे अंदर भी पहनता था वो, और videos में भी पहनता था. तो लोग ऐसे कह रहे थे, good on you, your brother's always wearing a mask. I was like, this is great. I love to see the confusion.
Yeah.
And then they see your Instagram post and your brother has proposed to you. And then they're like, Wait.
Yeah, the video I made, like talking about the proposal, so I
Yeah.
actually talked about this, that people thought that he was my brother, so I just kept it going.
Shit, that's crazy.
So that's why he was in the
Wait, he
video.
was chill with that though. He was
Uh,
chill with that.
यार वो बहुत sorted
Sweet.
इंसान है. हाँ.
Like, he looks also like a very like
Laid back person,
laid
like
back,
a very
like,
chill person.
chill
yeah.
guy.
Yeah.
That's lovely.
Oh, that's cute.
I did not know that. That's cool.
Wait, so I want to talk about more of your like newer music now, because like all of this, I know like you are somebody that's very meticulous with your work. That's what I've gotten to know about you.
Yeah.
So was this EP also like something that you put a lot of detail into?
Well, like this is about turning 30. It's called Project 30. So
Yeah.
the year that I was like my 30th year, I like to keep myself busy. So I went to the studio and just started writing stuff. And by the end of it, we had 4 songs. And I thought that this as a theme fits really well into
Yeah.
like love, friendships, like more introspective vibe of it. Because as I was growing up, I felt that a lot of things in my head and my thinking changed. Like friendships kind of
Of
drift
course.
apart. You look
Yeah.
at them differently.
Correct.
Friendship breakups, all
Absolutely.
that stuff.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Even love, you look at it a little bit differently in your relationship with yourself. So that's
Right.
how I kind of figured this one out.
Mhm.
And yeah, like music, I do put effort into it, of course, but like I'm not putting effort into it in terms of कि मेरे को चलाना है.
Hmm.
And so that
पसंद
effort,
है.
हाँ, so that
Yeah.
that is more like it's like a hobby type. I'm not saying it's a hobby, but
It's
like
a
I
hobby.
don't
You're passionate
into
about
it.
it. You're
Yeah,
passionate.
but I'm not like actively like tailoring it in
Hmm.
that sense.
yeah.
You
So
know,
makes
did
sense.
you
So it's really
start
nice.
writing songs with the intention of making an EP, or did you just the juices were just flowing out of you, and then we have 4 songs now?
Kind of like that, but
Uh-huh.
instead of releasing them one by one, I thought
Hmm.
like it's just better to put it together in a project.
Fair.
And you talk about like friendships, and we are the 4 of us are like the closest friends ever. It's been around 9
Yeah.
years now.
Mhm.
Touch wood.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think friendships are a very important part of my life, part of all of our lives, part of
yeah.
all of our lives. And you speak of friendship breakups, and I've had my fair share of shitty
Yes.
friendships also.
All of us have.
But I really want to know where that's coming from for you. Like I
Yeah.
want to know what the motivation was behind the art.
Yeah.
Like I'm curious, I'm nosy, and I want details.
I love it. So I was telling you guys right before we started rolling that my group of like 4 girlfriends, like we
Yeah.
were like so close, man. School friends and sleepovers every few
I'll
days.
shed a tear. Yeah.
This group is giving me that energy
It
a lot.
is.
Spot
It
on.
is that.
Spot on.
Exactly, got it.
Yeah, getting drunk together and like helping each other get dressed up before like
Oh,
night outs
100%.
and stuff.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then talking about your horrible experiences. So just that vibe is great. But the thing is, like during the pandemic, we're all still very, very close. Like they all came for my wedding. But during the pandemic, like one of them moved abroad and the
Yeah.
other one moved another place. And the third one also moved somewhere else. So hum charo ab alag cities mein hain.
Mhm.
So that itself, yeah, I know. It's so sad. Like it hurts more than like a relationship
Yeah,
breakup.
Yep.
Because you're not supposed to feel bad about this, right? I didn't know that. And dude, it's just
You know why it's bad? I don't know where I saw this, but a breakup, a real breakup, you're anticipating it, right? Like there's 2 ways that goes about. You either get married or you break up.
Break up.
Though he option hai. But with your female friends, there's no reason why you have to stop
Oh, shit,
talking to
yeah,
them.
that is so
Ever.
true.
है ना? मतलब you don't have to go anywhere. Oh, you did me wrong. That's why. Oh, you were just jealous of me.
Or we just drifted
That's
apart,
why.
you know.
Or you
we just
drifted
outgrew the
apart.
friendship.
Drifted also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there was this other reel that I saw where it just said that I don't know why people don't treat friendships as importantly as they do a relationship.
Yeah.
When you've
Mhm.
known your girlfriends for longer than you've probably known your man.
Yeah.
And like when you end up, that's the reason why it ends up hurting more than an actual breakup.
Yeah.
Is because you've never seen it in that light, right? But then
Yeah.
when it comes, like suddenly you're like, shit, what happened?
Yeah.
And it's so much more dynamic also
Yeah.
because you say, okay, one of my friends, she, from the time that I've known her in 10 years, she's had 3 boyfriends. I've seen her change a little bit
Every
through
time.
all of them. When she
Yeah.
gets with somebody, I know exactly how she's going to act.
Yeah.
When she
Yeah.
leaves that person,
Yeah.
I know how she's what she
How to
needs,
deal with her.
how to deal with her.
Yeah.
So I'm here. I've stuck around for all of that.
Yeah, true.
But I know one
Blip and it's like,
it's
yeah.
gone.
True.
And
But then-
Oh, that's sad.
I have a question. Why would you call it like a friendship breakup? I mean, it's just that y'all are now in different parts of the world, right? But y'all are still friends. So how I didn't understand where that inspiration for this song came from.
Dude, it's like ये वाली tightness जो अभी तुम
Got-
लोगों की है
okay.
ना, like वो नहीं है. And,
fair, fair.
and that's normal also, right? Like,
yeah.
evolution hai.
हाँ, and
They've
you-
all have their own set of lives to like figure out. now.
Yeah, and it's just different, dude. Like everybody is so busy with work now. So
Correct.
even if we have plans, we're
Mhm.
meeting for a drink
Uh-huh.
It's
or we're meeting
scheduled.
for a meal,
Yeah.
and we like plan it out. Okay,
Yeah.
we'll meet on the weekend. But my friend, so this song Dilli Ki Sardi,
Yeah.
it's basically like we used to go to her terrace a lot and her house. So I would show up to her house all the time, like
Yeah.
all the time, and I would go straight to the fridge, like. You know,
oh my god, you're describing like
Literally,
what do
yeah.
we exactly do? Sorry.
So like, and I have this weird thing. I like tomato juice. Okay, so it used to be in her fridge a lot of the day. So we were so close, and that was kind of like the relationship, right? So, but now we're like grown ups, man. So
Yeah.
it's also like sadness of that type of girlhood, right?
It's grief.
It's grief, yeah.
Yeah.
And basically, like I was on my way home from somewhere, and Google Photos पे memories आती है ना. तो मुझे एक मेमोरी आई थी
ज़्यादा
उसमें।
बॉम्बे हो गया
आज 2 दिन तो मुझे एक मेमोरी आई थी उसमें हम उसके छत पर थे एंड लाइक 5-6 लोग एक लैंटर्न उड़ाने में लगे हुए हैं रात में हाँ वो लाइक 3-4 घंटे हो गए हम वही कर रहे हैं सो आई वाज जस्ट लाइक यार आई कांट like remember like the last time we would do something as random as this and
Yeah.
we, all of us would be in the same place
Yeah.
like super spontaneous so it's just like and of course I was like happy to see it but I was like also almost crying
Bittersweet.
It just
हो जाता है वो.
obviously, yeah.
It just hits you like a truck where you're like, shit, I don't know what to feel at this point.
Yeah.
Wait, when is your birthday?
1st Jan
Fu-
literally
what?
first
What?
I
You did
know.
not. She did not want to wait. She didn't want to wait. She's like, me first. New year, new me.
yeah literally like literally
Is that like, what is that like? Like nobody wants to be at your birthday.
yeah,
Yeah.
yes no I've always had an issue with birthday parties
You know, so have I, because mine is in September and everyone's is in September, so everyone's just so tired.
oh
That is true.
Yeah, but I think it's worse for you. It's like New Year's
I
Day.
think yeah.
nahi, there's no like either my birthday is combined with the New Year's Eve party
That's
or-
horrible. I'm sorry. That's
no.
horrible.
That's so
it's not
bad.
nice
Yeah,
it's
it's
not
just such a
fun.
shit. It's like you feel like a second thought.
yeah
Afterthought.
yeah and all my like good friends or like family people like they call me and go like Happy New Year
Oh
It's
my
like,
god.
hang up
Shut up.
hang up
Oh no.
but they do it because they're they're close so if someone's wishing me happy birthday I'm like okay you're an acquaintance right now yeah
I see that.
The real ones know what to
the
wish.
real ones yeah they're assholes basically
So like your birthday dinner, do people roll up like severely hungover?
नहीं आते यार पहले जब मैं
आते
छोटी
हैं।
थी तो मैं बर्थडे पार्टीज करती थी
हाँ.
सो देन ऑन द फर्स्ट तो बहुत कम लोग आते थे लाइक माय क्लोज फ्रेंड 5-6 लोग बस एंड बट देन व्हेन आई ग्रू अप आई वाज लाइक I'm gonna do a New Year's Eve scene. So that's the vibe.
You know, I've seen a lot of people like now that like I'm turning 23 this year. I'm excited for
Okay.
next year because a lot of people now they've started doing this thing where they do a 24-hour party for their 24th birthday.
I've seen that. I've seen
I
that.
have to
Whoa.
do that. I have to do that.
I fully see it. I have to do
Right?
that. We need to. We need to.
Right? Like
Crazy.
24-hour party.
Yeah.
You should do something like that. A
I
like
just cannot.
I
I'm
know.
not 24, guys. Like, I just cannot. This sounds like a nightmare for me, but sounds fun for you guys. Do
oh,
it.
okay. Were you like when you were 24? Were you like dick chick?
Party.
My like party phase was like college time until like maybe till like first 2 years when I started working. I loved it. Like I loved chilling with my friends. We used to
Yeah.
like drink a lot and we used to go to like all the bars and stuff in Delhi and yeah, it was really fun. Like that was a phase, and I'm glad I got it out of my system that
yeah,
early
true.
in life.
True.
Because now I do not like it at all. I hate it. I just hate it.
I was literally, that brings me to my next point, because you mentioned that your birthday is on the 1st. I think it gets better as you grow up, because then as you grow old, you don't want the dick chick anymore, and you're just like, I need my peace.
कल कर ली ना party अब बस बस हो गया
I can imagine it getting better as you grow older, because you're like,
Sure.
okay, first it's good. It's a good date that my birthday has fallen on. I don't need people. I just need me, like my partner, and like just my peace.
Yeah, I think I've started doing that now.
Yeah.
Like, although my Bharat likes a big party, like that's
Oh, okay.
he's like the
Party animal.
host. He likes like
fun.
he has a lot of friends and he likes to like host parties and
Hmm.
stuff. And he knows
Party culture is also like big in Delhi. Like calling people to your house, having like catering, because houses are big over there.
oh like that. हाँ, like वो host है यार, वो he likes it. Like उसकी vibe वो है and मेरी बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. Like I would rather just like chill with like 3-4 people. And, like,
Yeah.
chill.
Yeah.
So that's more of my scene. So even for like my birthday and stuff, I would like a smaller thing now.
I've also like I have cousins that are around your age, and they like at this point they don't even go out for like New Year's Eve.
Yeah, they're just
Huh.
spending it at home.
They're spending it at home. So is that
New Year's Eve, Delhi mein to no one, like it's unadvisable. Like it's actually unsafe to go out because like people drive like really badly and stuff. So I've actually never
like
gone
drunk
out.
drive way more in Delhi?
I'm not sure about that,
Huh.
but like on yeah, like I've never gone out because it's just nobody does
Oh.
that. So it's
So it's always
someone's
at
house.
home.
Huh.
Yeah.
Huh.
Got it.
Nice.
Wow.
So the person who's hosting that night is like an angel because
Oh,
their
for
house
sure,
gets
yeah.
completely
What's
destroyed.
your husband that does that? no?
Yeah, he did it like this year and the year before, but when we were younger, like
Yeah.
Oh,
that
fine.
person,
Ah,
yeah, because the house was
right.
not
Yeah,
very.
truly they were
Not
not.
big
Whoever's
good.
parents have gone to another house, that kid used to
Host parties?
host the
Or-
party.
Yeah, or maybe they have parents who let them, man. I don't know.
Whoa.
Yeah, no, I don't know. No.
Can't relate.
Yeah, no.
My parents would. What do you mean you want to party in my house while I'm sleeping?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, no.
You mentioned that you lived in Bombay for a while alone. What was that like? Because I remember seeing like a short phase of you in Bombay, and I always wondered why you went back.
Yeah, I moved here like before the pandemic,
Okay.
and then when the pandemic hit, I went back home, like left my flat like
Yeah.
as is, and went back home, and that's when I met Bharat and stuff. So I ended up staying for 2 years at home instead of like
Oh.
the shorter time that I probably thought I would.
Yeah.
And then I came back and I got a new flat and stuff, and because I didn't really complete my time here.
Hmm.
So I got a new flat, I came back and stuff. So I gave it like my full, shot कि मैं यहाँ 2 साल मोटा मोटा रह ली. And yeah, I don't think the city really is for me. Because I think like I'm used to like quieter environment
Okay.
in Delhi, and like the rent is insane here.
Yeah.
It
So
is.
that
It is.
It's
for
maddening.
sure. It's crazy. And also, yeah, I like to have a life beyond like my work.
YouTube.
Yeah.
And my life here only was that.
Yeah.
It was strictly work.
It was strictly work, and also like the people that I met, even my friends, were all in the same space. So
Hmm.
I don't
Yeah,
really like that.
I see it.
And I try actively to kind of like not be so absorbed in just like thinking about YouTube and like whatever, thinking about work and like thinking about
Mhm.
this, because it gets like over obsessive after
Absolutely.
a point,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
It consumes you in a way.
Hmm.
Yeah, and you're constantly thinking ये चल रहा है कि नहीं, इसने क्या बोला या whatever. It's too much. Like,
Yeah.
and also I do think that like most of my like good friends are not in this space, and I like that because also Bharat, like he's not in this space, and I
Yeah.
like that because yeah, I think that you feel is narcissistic,
Yeah.
and so I'll take that thing on myself too, because you're constantly like making videos of yourself, you're editing them,
100%.
you're thinking about how you're coming across or what you're saying, whatever. It's like
It's
the
all
word,
about you.
yeah, it's crazy.
It can get very
the city
obsessive.
is also like if you can imagine an office space, but it's just everyone you know,
Yeah,
because the
Mumbai is a
work
big
doesn't
office.
stop.
Hmm.
Like you go to an event and they are your friends, and
Hmm.
yes, you DM on Instagram, but they are also in a way your co-worker because they're working with the same brand as you.
Yeah.
Okay, like
They're
that,
working on the same campaign as
Hmm.
you.
Hmm.
They might get a better deal than you, and all of those things. I know that might like not be what your like primary thought is, but of course it could be a thought in the back of your head, and
Yeah.
that could be very overbearing to
True, I
have
see that.
every single weekend, every like day in and day out.
Yeah.
That sounds exhausting. So I
Yeah.
understand why you like moved back.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
and that's very real, honestly.
Yeah,
What you
and
said.
I was about to also ask you if, because even for the three of us, rather the four of us, we have our other set of friends also who are not a part of the podcast, and sometimes it's just a good shift to not talk about this at all. Like I'm not
Yeah.
saying I don't enjoy this. I love this.
Yeah.
This is our baby. I love
Of course.
everything around about this, but sometimes that little shift of nothing around the podcast, just what life is, what's going on in life outside of this. And I feel it's extremely important to have this other set of friends who are not in the same industry as you, be
Yeah.
it media, be it your serious day jobs or whatever. I feel it's extremely important.
Attacked.
Serious day job.
Serious day job.
I would love a serious day.
have a serious day job.
Yeah. I to treat it like masti.
It is much.
Yes,
It's a
Kulfi and
whimsy.
Kulfi.
She was literally like she came
Stop
from work
doxing
and she
me.
was still working.
Yeah.
Doxing you?
Yeah, I
She
said,
said kulfi. Cut that
Now
out.
you
Mesri.
did.
I said she has
Yeah.
Kulfi at Kulfi.
Ah, bol, sorry. Sorry.
No, finish your thought.
Yes,
Chal, chal.
yes.
Yeah, that was my thought. Like, do you feel that way too? Like to have friends outside of the industry?
Industry.
Yeah, definitely. And I also like to have real friends. Like I'm into like
Deep friendships.
Deep
Yeah.
friendships. Surface
Yeah.
that मतलब फिर वो तो acquaintances
Work.
बहुत ही होते हैं,
बहुत
of
हैं,
course.
Yeah.
And
Small
then
talk wale
small
those.
talk wale तो and now
Hi.
yeah.
How was the
Hi.
I
Oh
know.
my god, your hair's looking so nice.
Yeah, I feel like small talk can get more creative than this.
for sure.
No, but
I
it's
am new
actually true.
here.
It's so scary.
it's true.
Sometimes they'll pretend to be so invested in your life, and then you're like, wow, this person actually doesn't give a
You
shit
have
about
to knock
me.
yourself out
Oh
of it.
no, actually you have to start with like if this is a stranger from your industry that you're meeting, you have to start them at the bottom. They don't care about me. Little if they show that they care, okay, okay, you earn your way
Up.
into my
Yeah,
life.
true, true,
But
true.
when you're starting and you're starting with a hi, I start with a hi. I do it. I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, but like you said, right? It's like a
Yeah.
colleague situation.
Yeah,
it
so it's
is.
like a work environment, and this work is a little more friendly, I guess. Like off from the
true,
outside,
true. Yes,
right?
yes.
But it's still like a work. It's
still
like
work.
It
But
is.
What
it
you
is.
said, सारे ही narcissist है.
हाँ.
क्योंकि
यार,
वो
you
अपने
know
आप को
what?
इतना ज्यादा देख रहे हैं, वो अपने
हाँ.
आप को जैसे कंडक्ट करते हैं उसके बारे में कितना सोचते हैं ये लोग.
हाँ.
But you know what? I wouldn't blame them. And
Of
I
course
don't know.
not.
I don't know if I'm saying this now because we are also part of this.
Mm.
It's because of how the industry just functions in itself,
Absolutely.
and you just get obsessed with it
Hmm.
more than
You
like,
have to.
You have to actually. If you
Yeah.
don't, then you get, bro. You're like
You're out.
not cut for this.
Yeah,
Like you have
exactly.
to be.
Yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't agree with that. Like
No?
I would have agreed with this a few years ago,
Hmm.
but I'm
Okay.
actively trying to like disagree with this, and I think I'm almost there because I do think that a healthy balance is what is the recipe to longevity. This leads to burnout, and like I've been burnt out like 4, 5, 6, 7 times, and I think this is like the
Agreed.
recipe for it because like okay, if with this mentality, and I'm not saying that.
Absolutely.
Whatever.
Because I have a follow-up question.
And I've been on this train
Yeah.
too, right?
Yeah, I can imagine.
I'm still half on it. So
Yeah.
because then this doesn't let you take failures well. And I also think that like your entire like a lot of your worth is like landing
Based
on
on
this,
this.
Based on
right?
this,
And I
yeah.
don't think that's healthy because if you're doing some type of job or work,
Hmm.
which is this, you want to do it for a while.
You want to sustain it. True.
absolutely.
Right? And I don't think like when we're younger and we're starting off, we don't think about longevity because you feel like I will be in my 20s forever. Right? Like, but that's not true.
Yeah, but I don't know if I disagree with this or like if this is it may fizzle out later. But then wouldn't you say that sort of a mentality will come once you've reached a certain stage in this career? Because if I were to think like this now, and if I wasn't burnt out, in my mind, I think I need to go through the burnout. I need to fall flat on my face. I
Hmm.
need to fail. And then I'll like come up. I don't know if I'm right or wrong. I may be wrong. That's just how I
Yeah.
function, or like rather I process this. Maybe once I'm your age, I'll have a different perspective
The
to
frontal
this.
lobe development will
Yeah.
happen.
Maybe, but you
And
know,
then you'll discover her EP and then you'll be like, oh, I get it.
Project 30,
I
yes,
get it.
fully
Yeah.
agree.
I mean,
See how great I am at my job. I'm joking.
No,
dude,
but
I mean, probably you're right. And, but I also think that, like, we're also taught to, like, go hard and, like, kill ourselves.
Yeah.
Have you
Grind
seen-
set mindset.
Ha. And how about, like, you give it your best shot and then you just switch off from it, right? Like, you do everything that's required and then you're also like, yeah, I did an amazing job and like I was awesome, even if your like result is not that great. Like,
Yeah.
okay, because if the result
Yeah, I
isn't that
appreciate
good,
that.
you would be like, nahi,
Disheartened.
bahut ganda ho gaya, nahi,
too
I'm-
hard on yourself. probably.
yeah, people say this about me, but then if you're and by like a what was I saying? By like non go hard mindset, I'm not saying that you don't do your work. Like
Yeah, of
you
course.
you do it, and I think that you'll do it in a healthier way.
Give yourself some
Yeah.
grace, maybe.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and like it's like hydrating between like a long
Taking a
workout.
breather.
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Because I don't know, man. I think about this a lot, and I do think that and I have this debate with my parents a lot because they seem to think that अपने आप को परेशान करना is the way, like अपने आप को बहुत कूट के काम करना
Yep,
is
yep.
the way to do it.
Yeah.
That's a lot
And-
of the older generation, though. They think hard
Yeah.
work is the key to success.
Yeah.
That's something that's really drill. It's not always hard work, right?
Yeah.
It's smart work, being in the right place at the right time,
Smart
talking,
work.
smart work,
Smart
right?
work, yeah.
Networking is so important. All of these things, you
Yeah.
know, play a role.
Yeah, and I also feel like maybe there's a difference in our opinions here, because when you started out, or rather when you've been in this industry, it was just this. When it comes to the four of us, we have things on the side that we're doing. So how I look at this is, yes, I'm very, very passionate about this, but I automatically also don't let it consume my entire life,
Yeah.
because I have to put my energy into my day job or like studies or like whatever else that we're doing. So I don't know if this is like a balance that has just automatically like happened because of the things that we're juggling. But maybe if I was doing this like solely
Yeah.
this, I probably would have
Yeah.
been able to understand
Where you're coming
more
from.
where you're coming from.
Yeah. I'm trying to apply what she's saying to what I'm doing in life in general. And
Yeah.
it does make
Yeah.
sense. Like,
Have you guys seen Alyssa Liu? Have you heard of her? Like she
No.
just won an Olympic gold medal.
Oh yes, yes.
So
is
her
she- that
the
Asian,
the state
Yeah.
side.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
so her story is going really viral right now,
Hmm.
and actually that also really inspired me. So she talked about how her journey of becoming a figure skater like almost burnt her out. So she quit and then she left for 2 years and then she came back.
Yeah.
Of course, like बहुत behind the scenes है
Of
इसके
course.
बारे में,
Yeah.
but it was interesting how she talked about like really loving what she was doing and coming from a
Mhm.
place of like loving what you're doing, being the motivation
Yeah.
instead of like I will be good enough only if I do well at this. And I think like that leads to burnout.
Yeah,
right?
and now when
Mm.
you listen to, you are talking about the one that has like blonde and
Yes.
brown hair, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so now when you talk to, when you listen to her talk about her art, it's not very outcome based. She's
Hmm.
very performance based.
Yeah.
From what I've heard from like the interview clips that I've watched,
Yeah.
not watched full length, and I've not watched her work, but the way that she's talking about her art, it's way more about, oh, my performance is improving, and
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
what I'm, you know, directing my energy
Hmm.
towards, and not the fact that I get a medal or not. I mean, come on, they're on they're on an Olympic
Yeah, true.
stage,
Yeah.
man.
This was the same skater who the like one of the reporters was like, oh my god, did you not are you bummed that you didn't get a gold medal or something?
No, that's a different one.
Oh,
but
shit,
they
shit.
are,
Oh, yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
They're
But-
different people, but yeah, I do see similarities
Yeah.
with the way that they talk about their craft. Anyway, I think we covered a lot of things
Okay.
today. I have this is my favorite segment. That's why I like abruptly stopped everything. This is my favorite segment. I am so nosy, as you must have like figured from this whole conversation. I'm extremely nosy, and this is why I pitched this segment, and it's my favorite segment ever. I want to know what the most useless thing in your bag is.
Ooh, that's a good question. Let's see.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful bag, by the
It's
way.
a
Thank
Napa
you.
Dory, is it
I
not?
love this bag.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Ooh,
I
very
how'd you
love this
know?
bag.
Because I can read it over there.
Then why
Let's
say
say
like you
say
do
it.
it?
Like, ah,
That's
Okay.
a quote.
Have you guys heard of Napa Dory?
Yes.
Okay.
I haven't.
I haven't.
It's like a lifestyle.
Yeah,
brand?
they also have cafes. Like usually the cafe and the brand goes
Oh.
together. Cafe
Oh.
Dory and Napa
Hmm.
Dory. Come to Delhi, guys. basically.
That is. I've not
I don't
heard
know.
of
Yeah,
that.
me neither.
It's a Delhi thing. I did not know that.
यहाँ
अच्छा.
नहीं है ना? Or I don't know. if
है
it's-
यहाँ पर अपोलो बंदर के पास मतलब
हाँ.
गेटवे
Oh, wait,
Gateway के
cafe
पास
Dory नहीं है यहाँ पर.
कैफे है या नहीं आई डोंट नो नापा डोरी है
Dude, I actually don't have anything useless here, but I usually
No.
have like some like boarding passes. Like I just like leave them in my
Oh,
bag. It's
right.
like toxic trait. I don't clean it. Then I just leave
Yeah.
it.
I actually have a tag that I used for Lollapalooza like last year, and
Yeah.
it's just there in my bag.
Yeah.
I've never thrown it
I
out.
can't
Yeah.
throw out a band I get
Yeah,
like at a
right?
club or a concert. You can't throw them out. They're
You
not
have to keep
supposed to be
saying.
thrown out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, but if you don't have the most useless thing in your bag, you got to show us what your last Google search was.
Oh God.
We're invasive as shit.
Yeah.
Let me check.
No, you're not supposed to fabricate it.
Unfabricated.
What if it's embarrassing?
That's,
Like,
the point. ऐसे तो
right.
views आएंगे सेजल.
oh shit, it's actually not embarrassing. Chal.
Ah,
Arre,
shit.
yeah,
What's the
go.
second? What's the second was?
Okay, I searched for Aroka. That's the last one. Aroka is a
Okay.
fashion brand.
Okay.
And इसके पहले वाली देखते हैं.
रोका ने हमें पैसे नहीं दिए हैं
Yeah.
पर
not
अगर रोका
sponsored.
को हमें पैसे
देने
देने
हैं
हैं
तो दे सकते हैं.
दे सकते
Yes.
हो
भीख मांग रहे हैं हम भीख मांग रहे हैं.
I searched for Mary Lodge by Subco because we had coffee there.
Ah, we like
Yeah.
Subco.
Yeah, Subco's
Subco's
great.
Bombay.
Subco sponsor.
Subco is like a Napa Dori, low key, because they have things like.
Oh
Sure.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, true.
Yeah. They have products attached to their brand.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh,
Yeah.
That is fun.
They opened one in Delhi also, I heard.
I
Subco?
heard.
Yeah, one in Bangalore as well.
Hmm.
They're like now going out,
Expanding,
expanding.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah, what a fun note to end this
End, yeah.
episode on.
Only two things you're nosy about. That's not very nosy.
You
Oh.
want me to know more?
You want me to, do you want us to go
Ooh,
on?
do you have
This is
goss?
Before we
Yeah.
go though, do you want to plug yourself one last time?
All right, go listen to Project 30 on all platforms, but go to Spotify, I guess.
Yes.
And go to my Instagram.
Yeah.
Yes.
How did they spell it?
My Instagram?
Yeah.
what's your handle?
Sejal Kumar 1195.
Yay.
Yippee.
One
Nice.
last thing before you go. We usually ask our audiences to comment an emoji to know that they've watched up until now. So do you have a favorite emoji to give to them?
Yeah, comment a white heart.
White hearts.
Comment a bunch of those.
Yes.
While you're on YouTube, you can subscribe to the channel, like this video, send it to all your friends who know Sejal or maybe
Yes.
know us or maybe somebody you think
Everyone.
that would love Sejal's vibe.
Yep.
Send it to your family group also. I really like, I need
Yes.
you to send it literally everywhere.
Hmm.
And yeah, like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment a bunch of white hearts, hype the video, guys.
Yep.
Press the hype button.
And yeah, if you're watching us on Instagram, don't forget to like our videos, comment nice things, share with anyone and everyone you know. And yeah,
And if you listen to us on Spotify, don't forget to give us a good rating. It's just 5 stars.
5 stars is all we need.
For us and for Sejal's EP.
Let's
Yep.
go.
Yay.
Do it. Right now.
Until next time, stay Bisharam.
Bye.
Bye.